Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Building by Accord. So accord means agreement. Beyond judicial clearance, Central Vista should be able to achieve national consensus. With the Supreme Court's 2-1 judgment clearing the Central Vista project for New Delhi, the Narendra Modi government can now indelibly reshape the national capital's visual landscape. Justices A.M. Khanvikar and Dinesh Maheshwari found no infirmity in the approach granted by the Central Vista Committee. Delhi Urban Art Commission, the Heritage Conservation Committee and other bodies, paving the way for a new parliament building and other edifices of government to come up. So, the Supreme Court didn't have any objection with the new project of the new parliament building for being constructed in Delhi. So, they gave clearance for the Central Vista project. So, now Delhi has an opportunity to change its parliament building. So Narendra Modi government had took this initiative for a new capital building. So the judges didn't have any objection with it. So the Delhi Urban Art Commission, the Heritage Conservation Committee and other bodies are going to have separate buildings of their own so that they can work more effectively, and the Central Vista Committee has gotten all the approvals it must need to get. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, while agreeing with the majority opinions on the call for bid award and the decision of the urban commissions, dissented on the key issue of public participation in the entire exercise, which vitiated the endorsement of land use change. Government should naturally be free to plan policies and programs on behalf of the people, with no prior restraint but subject to judicial review to ensure accountability. Judged against this principle, the Centre is simply exercising its privilege to plan a new set of buildings to house its establishment and the federal legislature. While the final cost estimate is unclear, planned expenditures are in rupees 13,450 crore for, among other things, a new central vice president's enclave and prime minister's residence, besides 970 crores, a new parliament. So with the national consensus, such a colossal is generally the plan might become an achievement for the 75th year of independence in 2022. What in German can, however, it is appropriate in a year unprecedented with such kind of disruption. So the other judge have also agreed with it, didn't agree with it. So he didn't approve for the urban commission plans. So he have his own reasons. That is, here while doing this, the public also should have a participation in this entire plan. But the center didn't do any of this. So even though if the interference of public is there, it might risk the endorsement of land usage. So the government should be accountable and responsible in such things, because they will have to plan the policies and programs which were approved and are liked by the people. So they shouldn't just rush it up. So if they don't do that, it might become an ignorance of the responsibility. So the center is simply exercising its privilege or its standard. So it had planned a new set of buildings to show its establishment and some history, and a federal legislature in which all the work will be done. So the amount of money which is going to be required for this whole project is estimated as rupees 13,450 crores. So, and for other things such as the residence of the prime minister and also the vice president's enclave, it is going to cost like 970 crores for the new parliament itself. So there is so much work which is going to be done there. So all the construction and its opening will be done by the 75th independence of India. So we can expect it in 2022. So there is no hurry for any of this. So even though it is appropriate after such a unexpected disruption in the economy of India in the 2019. So if we go further, this is when an elected government must give its undivided attention to schemes for common weal and not to be tempted into extravagant indulgence. So after the disruption, it had affected many lives. So the central government or the elected government must concentrating on spending this money into schemes or other relief checks for the people who need it the most. So other than spending it in such things only for having luxury or a show of life, they could just give the money and help the people. So Justice Khanna has pointed out that the public consultation is a democracy, requires citizens to be able to assess the project's rationale. Armed with information on the official reasoning and with sufficient time at their disposal, the essence of the view should inform the final decision. Opportunities for public consultation already incorporated into modern laws and also in the Delhi Development Act in no way fetter the executive. It would be inappropriate, therefore, for the centre to attempt consensus building on central vista could showing undue anxiety and haste in taking up all planned structures. So Justice Khanna has pointed out that in a country like India where democracy is promoted, the citizens should have all the rights. So the public consultation is very important in it under the Delhi Development Act and also the Information Act. So the opportunities for the public consultation must be given at any cost. So even the modern laws, if they aren't followed, they will have to face the consequences. Thank you.